How to use AMD Radeon software. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be showing you how to use the AMD software Adrenaline Edition. So this is the platform right here. You can choose different graphics profiles for enhancing performance, quality, power saving, or just the default mode. I'm choosing performance as I'm recording the tutorial right now. Here, you can edit different settings that will directly or indirectly affect your gaming capabilities and the way your PC handles games, graphics, and different dynamic resolutions and limiting FPS or enhancing visual details. So right here in these settings, the display settings, you can activate the AMD FreeSync, the GPU scaling modes, and custom colors if you would like. And this way, you'll be sure to optimize your gaming experience to the most. Thanks for watching everyone, and don't forget to subscribe.